Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from our end and you guys can continue to make good profits with us. Okay, so now let us continue with the discussion of the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing gold yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as our area of short-term support and this area as our area of short-term resistance. So market continued to go down and closed almost below our area of support over here. So we could go short from here in this candle, but we would have hit our stop loss. And then once market closed above our area of support over here, so we could take a long position from here. Our stop loss would be just below this previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here. So this trade would have given us a 0.9% profit. Then afterwards, once again, market tested our area of support and closed above our area of support. So we could take another entry of buying and it would be like this. So stop loss would be just below the previous candle and our take profit will be approximately till here. So this trade would have given us a take profit of approximately 0.8% approximately. Okay, and then afterwards the market started to go down further, and once market closed below our area of support, then we could take a short position from there. So if we take a short position from here, our stop loss will be just above this candle and our take profit will be approximately 1.4% till now, and this trade would still be running in some profit. Okay, so these were the scenarios for the gold. So now we will be marking new areas of support and resistance for gold. So you guys can clearly see. So let us go to the 4-hour chart to mark our new areas of support and resistance. So as this is the lowest area of support today, so do we have any recent area of support? So this is the most recent area of support available. So this will be our area of support. And let me move this scenario over here. So this will be the total area and the closest area of resistance will be approximately this area. Yes. And now let me move this whole scenario. Yes, so now let us open the 1-hour chart. Okay, so now you guys can clearly see that both areas have been marked in a brilliant manner. So let me move this key ahead and now let me move these key scenarios forward so you guys can uh, easily understand that how you guys have to trade this pair tomorrow. And if there is anything else that you guys would like to know further, just let me know in the comment section and I will make sure to get back to each one of you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so yes. Okay, so these will be the scenarios for tomorrow. So that's it. So just follow this given key and these scenarios, and you guys will be making some good profits tomorrow as well. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Meanwhile, if you guys have not yet hit that subscribe button, then please do. Thank you. I will see you guys in the next video.